Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Capricorn, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. Capricorn, we are picking these cards, guys. This is for your relationship and this is for your career situation, Capricorn. If you want more clarity in your situation, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, and it is a fairy tale pick a card love reading, guys. So it can give you clarity in your situation, guys. So let's start with these cards first. We will see what these are for your general energy, guys. We have Knight of Swords, King of Swords and King of Pentacles. So Capricorn, today you are ready for action. You have that inspiration, confidence, and you are making a move, making an important decision in your life today. So some important choices or some important opportunities have reached you and you are making the right choices for you today, guys. And you know the truth in your heart, maybe regarding some choices or some circumstance, and you know what you need to do, and you are someone holding an important position in life, maybe in your work or in your family, and you are, you make the right choices every time. So that may be the reason people come to you for your support and guidance, guys, in any given circumstance. And you have that courage, confidence, strength, determination, and also you are quite successful because you are someone making the right choices for your life, and you have firm beliefs and ideals. So that may be the reason for success. You have a particular way of dealing your situation, whatever it is. And maybe today you are involved or you are in a connection with someone who is holding holding an important work position in the government or a school, or they may be a doctor or you may be a doctor, guys. So someone in some important work position, guys, Capricorn. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards. Let's see what is the card for your relationship. So we have Seven of Pentacles in reverse. So with this card in your situation, maybe you are waiting. You have faced a lot in this love. You have achieved success in certain things. Maybe you have done some things you are happy about, and maybe today you are in the verge of making some important choices. So you are taking time. Maybe you are thinking of marriage or you are thinking of engagement. So you want to think clearly. That may be the reason you are waiting and you want to make the right choice. That may be the reason you are waiting, guys, today to make that right choice in your life for this love, for this person and for yourself. So that is what I see, guys, with this card, Capricorn. Let's see what is the card for your career situation, guys. It is Three of Wands in reverse. So with this card in your career situation, guys, maybe if you had troubles in your career, maybe if you had some delays or suspensions, some kind of troubles, all those troubles are coming to an end today, guys, and all your disappointments and your worries are coming to an end today, and things are going to fall into place for you, guys, Capricorn. So that is what I see with these cards, Capricorn. And that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, today it's going to be a fairy tale pick a card love reading. So we have two cards here. This is your first card, this is your second card, and we have two crystals. So you can either meditate with the cards or the crystals. Think about your situation for a few seconds in silence. Close your eyes and open your eyes and choose the card or the crystal that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card, guys, after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is the first card for you all. For those who chose this crystal and this card, let's see what is the card. It is fair, brown and trembling. So that is the card for you all, guys. So with this card, the energy is that when this card comes to you, it just means that you do not have to accept what others are expecting you to do. Maybe they have some plans for you. So you do not have to accept those plans, whatever it is, guys. Maybe you are shy and nervous and you are you feel humiliation when you do not listen to others. But whatever it is, guys, you need not accept what others are wishing for you or others are expecting you to do. You just have to do what you love to do and what you want for your life. And maybe you need to value yourself for what you are. Maybe your shyness or strangeness, whatever it is going to be most valued because it is your own unique quality. And the person who likes those qualities will come towards you. You need not worry, guys. So you need to accept that person who respects you for what you truly are. And today you are going to get lucky. You are going to find that true happiness and a true gift that will only bring you happiness and not the other person, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So maybe in your situation, people from your family or your parents or siblings, they are forcing you into something, but you need to take stock, go with what you like and choose someone who will respect you for what you are, guys, and see the truth in you. So that is the energy with this card, guys. That is the guidance with this oracle card. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this crystal, the second crystal, and the second card, let's see what it is. It is Verde Prato, wounds. So for those who chose this card, guys, the second card, it just means that you are in some situation. Maybe you are facing a lot of stress or worries, or you are being punished for what you are hiding, guys. Maybe you have kept something in secret. You have hidden your feelings or emotions you have for someone, and people close to you, it may be your family members or friends, whoever it is, they are trying to control your decisions and they are trying to punish you for what you are hiding from them. And the worst has happened and you are in a lot of stress and troubles. But whatever it is, if you stay true to your heart, you are going to pass this test, guys. And there is no need for you to expose your true feelings to these people who are trying to control you. You do not owe them anything, guys. And this is the time for you to feel free, feel happy, and your love, true love, will come to you. For sure it will come back to you and it will find you. So you need to just stay true to your heart, true to your feelings. So sometimes in life, guys, if we have some emotions or love towards someone, we should not hide those feelings. It is only going to lead to pain and some kind of misunderstandings. So we should tell that person the truth, what we truly feel, and we should face any fears that we have in our life, in any situation, and whatever wounds that we get in this course of loving a person, it is all going to get cured through our own courage. So we have the solution right within us. So that is the energy with this card, guys, and that is the story for you all, for those who chose the second card. So that is the reading for you all today, guys, with this card. Thank you for watching. If this video resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.